Most people think money is about intelligence, but here's the uncomfortable truth. Some of the smartest people in the world stay broke, and some average people quietly build massive wealth. Why? Because money is not a math problem. It's a psychological game, and almost nobody understands the rules. Imagine two people. One earns a high salary, the other earns much less. 10 years later, the second person is financially free. The first is still stressed, trapped, and confused. This isn't luck. This is psychology. Your relationship with money was shaped long before you earned your first rupee or dollar, by your parents, your environment, your fears, and your beliefs. Most of them are invisible. Before we go deeper, remember this. This video is for educational and motivational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult qualified professionals before making financial decisions. Humans don't make financial decisions logically. We make them emotionally. We spend to feel powerful. We save to feel safe. We invest to feel smart. We avoid risk to avoid pain. Your brain cares more about avoiding loss than gaining wealth. That's why people hold losing investments too long, sell winning opportunities too early, follow trends blindly, panic during crises, and overspend when they feel insecure. Money is not about numbers, it's about identity. Here's the hidden pattern. Rich people think in decades. Poor people think in days. Rich people focus on ownership. Poor people focus on salary. Rich people ask, how does this compound over time? Poor people ask, how fast can I get money? Neither is stupid. They're just playing different psychological games. And most people never realize which game they're playing. But here's the twist. Money doesn't change who you are. It amplifies who you already are. If you are disciplined, money makes you powerful. If you are impulsive, money makes you dangerous to yourself. That's why lottery winners often lose everything, and why quiet, boring people often build empires. Wealth is not built by dramatic moves. It's built by invisible habits. The real secret? Your income reflects your skills. Your wealth reflects your behavior. Skills make money. Behavior keeps money. Most people upgrade their lifestyle faster than their mindset. They earn more, but feel poorer, because their identity is still wired for scarcity, and you cannot escape a mindset with a bigger salary. This is not financial advice, but psychologically speaking, wealthy thinkers usually focus on long-term thinking instead of quick wins, consistency instead of intensity, learning instead of guessing, emotional control instead of reaction, and systems instead of motivation. Not because they are smarter, but because they understand one thing. Money obeys psychology before it obeys logic. So the real question is not, how can I make more money? The real question is, who do I need to become to handle money differently? Because the moment your mindset changes, your financial reality starts to follow. And that's the psychology of money.